What's up, everybody? My name is Ahmed, and right now you're watching Ahmed 853, and we're going to teach you how to play I Will Get You. We transform into things, pretend, and we try to fight. So, yeah. This is how the tutorial, so let's go. So, guys, right now it's going to be me versus Ollie in the how to tutorial. So, this is how we play. We transform into things. So, I'm Flash and my brother is Piki. My brother is Minecraft. So, let's get started. Adi is Minecraft. Go. So, Ollie is over there, and I'm here. 3, 2, 1. I will get you. We try to fight. And you have rounds, and you can even do a team against fake bosses. Here's my brother, especially. He's awesome, but I'm dying. I can't take it. Ow! Oh gosh! It's me versus now. What is he doing? Wait. I'm gonna show a picture of who is the champion of the world. I think my brother lost something. Okay, continuing now. Now, let's restart. We can restart whenever we want. Adi, go back. Go. Okay. My brother is all the way there. So, it's gonna be a rematch. Me versus him on this side. So let's clear everything. It's not a rusty game. Don't let grown-ups watch this. 3. Okay, I am Pearl. I'm a pro, so that means I can turn to anything I want. Adi is Minecraft. 3, 2, 1. I will get you. This is Bird. I'm Flash. Now I turn into Flash. Oh my God! What are you doing to the screen? What are you doing to the screen? Now it's time to finish you! Looks like I won that round. So, whoever wins this round is the champion. Adi, go back. So, last round. Adi, go back and knock. He's twisting around. I think he wants to do it here on here. Okay. Here's the last rematch. 3, 2, 1. Okay, first, I am Pearl. I am Carrot. Okay. Mater. My brother is Mater. So 3, 2, 1. It's Mater. Okay. Yeah. And I'm Pearl. I'm a Pearl. My brother is fast because he's a car. I'm Pearl, I turn into Flash. Oh my God! How strong is he? Now it's time to finish you. Now it's time to finish you. Looks like the champion resolves me. So I win. So I hope you enjoy this how-to tutorial. Don't forget, this how-to tutorial is how to play I Will Get You. So first thing first, you can have multiple rounds, and you need to chain like something, anything you want, like T-Rex, Minecraft, Pearl. If you're a Pearl, you can change to anything. It could be like Flash, Minecraft, or anything. And you'd have 3 rounds and see who wins at the final round. If it's a rematch, that means you'd have and then you'd have 5 rounds. Not 5 total rounds, 5 rounds. So I hope you enjoy this. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.